Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine, good. Yesterday we studied about the verb, correct or not? Verb means what? Action words or doing words. When we the words or when we do some work, and for that work we use some particular word, correct? For example, dance. When we do some activity like dancing, laughing, singing, more what we do, talking, correct, walking, these all words are denoting action which is done by the noun, correct, and that action words are called verbs. And now in verbs we are going to study which words are used as verb in simple present tense, correct. Simple present tense means what? At present in simple present tense what I am doing? I am teaching you. In simple present tense what you are doing now? You are listening to me, correct or not? What you are doing? You are listening to me means you listen to me, not listening. Listening will come another tense. In simple present tense students listen to the teacher and teacher teaches to the student. So listening, listen, and listen, listen is the word which is used in simple present tense. And for example, when I tell you that teacher teaches you at present, so teaches is what? Teaches is the tense, or teaches is the verb. Teaches is the verb which is used in simple present tense. Understood? Now there are many words like walks, more, talks, runs, drinks, jumps, okay, play. These are some words which we use in simple present tense. Understood? And these all words are what? They are verbs. They are what? They are verbs. And verbs means what? Verbs means action words or doing words. When you study verbs in first standard it is called what? In first standard it is called doing words. When you go to second standard, doing words are called action words. When you go in third standard, action words are called what? Verb. Meaning of all three is same. Understood? Meaning of doing words, action words and verbs is same. It does not change. Are you getting? So here it is told that in simple present tense there are some examples given in the book. That examples we will study now. Here it is now. Every sentence must have a verb in it. Till we don't use verb in sentence, that sentence cannot be complete sentence, or you will not understand meaning of the sentence. So here it is told that verbs tell us what a person or thing does. If person does some action, or if we make use of thing for some particular reason, correct, and in that sentence when we use action words it makes some meaning. If we will not use verb in sentence, for example, teacher stand before you, okay, teacher before you. If I will not say stand and only I will say teacher before you, it will make any meaning? Just see here, teacher stands before you. Teacher teaches. When we say teacher teaches the students, or teacher teaches us, or teacher teaches in the class. When we read the sentence, in the sentence if we will not use word teaches, it will make any sense? Just see now, teacher teaches in the class. I will keep my hand over here and you read teacher in the class. You will say, what ma'am is saying? Teacher in the class? What is this teacher in the class? It does not make any sense. When I will remove my hand and you will read sentence, teacher teaches in the class, at that time when we use verb in the sentence, it makes some meaning. Understood? So keep in mind that in simple present tense, verbs are used to indicate action which is performed right now, correct? In present time, when you do some action, at that time only whichever words are used, they are in simple present tense. Okay, so I will read for you some sentences here. The boy runs a race. The girl drinks juice. Now runs is what? Runs is verb in simple present tense. The girl drinks juice. At present she is drinking or not? Yes, she is drinking at present. So drinks is what? It is a verb which is used in simple present tense. Now here it is told that the simple present tense indicates that the action is performed right now or in the present time. When the action is used right now or in present time, that action is known as verb in simple present tense. Now how to use this verb in simple present tense? Here in singular form. Now singular means what? Singular means one. Plural means what? More than one. Correct or not? One and many. You might have studied in school. In first standard also one and many was taught to you. When we speak about one and many, one means what? Singular, and many means what? Plurals. And then here it is told that when we use verbs in singular, then it is I play cricket, we play cricket, you play cricket, you play cricket, he plays. Here S you have to add, okay. I play cricket, we play cricket, you play cricket, you play cricket, he plays. P-L-A-Y-S, we have to add S. He plays cricket, she plays cricket, it plays cricket, and they play cricket. Understood? Some places we have to add S. For example, here walks, talks, jumps, teaches. I have added what? I have added S to those sentences, okay. In this way, here it is told that S is added to every verb after he, she and it. Okay. When we use pronouns he, she and it, at that time for this pronouns we have to add S. Okay. For which words? For verbs we have to add S. Remaining part of this lesson we will study next week, because we will not able to complete this lesson right now. So you just read this lesson, okay. Here it is told that S is added to every verb after he, she, it. If the verb ends in O, CH, SH or SS, then we have to add ES. And here it is told that some examples are given. He reaches home, he goes to school, Ravi does his job. Okay. And after that some questions are there. Question number 1 is there, question number 2 is there, completing the sentences, fill in the blanks is there, that we will study next week. Okay. You try to understand how to use verbs in simple present tense. Right now, when we do some actions right now, at that time we use verbs in simple present tense. Understood? Have you understood? And keep in mind, ed does not come for simple present tense. ing does not come for simple present tense. Like teaching, singing, dancing, ing does not come. Teach, taught, or then danced, or more what words are there? Played. Ed does not come for simple present tense. Keep in mind, ing form does not come and ed form does not come for simple present tense. Okay. Remaining part of the lesson we will study next week. Thank you and have a nice day.